Now let us go to dotted notes. Notes are said to be dotted when a dot is added to its original structure. When a dot is added to a note, it increases its value by 50% of the value of that particular note. Notes are said to be dotted when a dot is added to its original structure. We will see example of this as we go on. Now we have come to the fourth example when we are explaining about dotted notes. Look at the first example. We have dotted semi-breve. Dotted semi-breve. The idea is that there is a semi-breve on the line, and that is the original structure of semi-breve, and there is a dot attached to it that makes it to become dotted semi-breve. And according to the explanation I made earlier, I said a dot stands for the increase in length by 50% of the original bit. It means semi-breve originally is 4 bits, and the 50% of it is 2. So when we combine both together, it becomes 6. So dotted semi-breve is 4 plus 2, making 6. Equally, when we look at a crochet, which is 1, and a dot beside it, we will conclude that the half of 1, which is the 50% of it, is half. So a crochet with a dot is increased by 50%, which is half of 1. And conclusively, we will say dotted crochet is 1 plus half, which is equal to 1.5 bits, or 1.5 bits. So you have to study this little arithmetic so that whenever you see any musical note with a dot beside it, you should be able to know the effect of that dot and the total value it's going to bring out at the end of the day. We are moving to more examples on dotted notes. Dotted quiver this time around is a quiver that is having a dot beside it, and the value of a dot is half, and the half of half is a quarter. So when we have a dotted quiver, we have both of them together, half plus a quarter, making 3/4. And the best way to represent 3/4 bit is a dot and a comma, just like you can see. That is the representation of the value of a dotted quiver.